When you're building an application, it typically revolves around a user. And when we talk about a user, two things come to mind: identity and access. Identity verifies who a user is, while access verifies what permissions the user has. From an application point of view, we term this as authentication and authorization. Now, Next.js, being a full-stack framework, is slightly more verbose when it comes to the topic of authentication as compared to React, for example. In a React app, your focus is only on authenticating the client-side code. When you're writing a Next.js app, though, you have to consider authentication from three perspectives: client-side authentication, server-side authentication, and finally, API routes authentication. How do you secure the code in all these three scenarios? Once you understand that, the next thing you might want to think about is user data. Do you need to persist user data or not? If you're building an app where you don't really have to persist user data, you can rely on auth services like GitHub, Facebook, etc. to ensure the user is authenticated. However, if your app needs to persist users, you would also have to make use of a database. And it is all these details that I've just mentioned which we will be learning in the upcoming videos. Now, if you think about managing all this, writing your own code from scratch, we would probably be here for the rest of 2021. So, to make things easier, we are going to use a library called Next.auth. It is a complete open source authentication solution for Next.js applications. It has built-in support for many auth services like Apple, Auth0, Discord, Facebook, GitHub, Twitter, and plenty more. And if you're not interested in any of those, you can have passwordless authentication with emails and custom username password credential authentication with support for many popular databases like MySQL, Postgres, SQL Server, MongoDB, etc. It exposes several methods and hooks that will make your life easier. At this point, it is the only package I would recommend you get started for authenticating a Next.js application. Alright, in the next video, let's see how to install and set up this Next.auth package in our application.